principal sir and teaching staff, and my dear junior and senior sister and brothers. गासैनोबो फुंबिलिनि गोजोननायखौ जासिहरग्रोनाय जाबाय। दिनैनि बे फुंबिलि समावहायो 22nd annual sports opening ceremony समावहाय जेसा मानिबा खारनावहाय सफैनो हायैनि थाखाय प्रग्रामखौ आं लेट खालामनो थाखाय आखायाव लादों। गिबियावनो दङ जोंहा फ्लेग हस्टिं खालामनो आर'नाइ सोनाय सारखौ सार डक्टर रन्जित कुमार नार्जारिखौहाय गावनि सिनायथिखौ लानो थाखाय खावलायनाय जाबाय। थेंक इउ सार। दानिया दङ जोंहा फ्लेग हस्टिं बाय सार प्रिन्सिपाल। दानिया दङ जोंहा भाइस प्रिन्सिपाल सार बेनेडिक्ट हाज'वारिखौबो गावनि सिनायथिखौ लानो थाखाय खावलायनाय जाबाय। सारखौ गांसे आर'नाइजों बरायगोन। सार प्रिन्सिपालखौ फ्लेग हस्टिं खालामनो थाखाय खावलायनाय जाबाय। Thank you, sir. दानिया दङ जोंहा लाइटिं अफ बनफायर सार भाइस प्रिन्सिपाल। उठेजोब्बायसो। Kerasnya bukan saya.
and my dear students. So today we have got this beautiful day and to celebrate this scholarship program. As you know that we are celebrating, of course, with the many events right from the 22nd of this month, and we have 4 more days, 4 days more today, right from today. So there are so many events yet to be performed, and especially the cultural events, literary events, and the closing ceremony, which is going to be performed 3rd of March. So many of our students, even the teachers, they were worrying about this climate and about this the days, that it will be very hot day if it is becoming very late to celebrate all these programs. But God has provided us a very beautiful days, so everybody is able to enjoy with a good environment, and it is what to say, it is not too hot. The days, sun also, that sunshine also not that much of hot, that it is bearable really, isn't it? So everybody is enjoying in this today, in this year's this scholarship program. I'm saying that many of our students